In today's video, I want to refer to a certain mistake that I'm seeing quite often in readings in general by people. It's a very important aspect of a card reading, and is the order of the cards. I mean, the order of the cards is important. It's not the same to have first card number 1 and then card number 2, or to have first card number 2 and then card number 1. The difference is important. The difference in the meaning is important, and what it implies for a card reading is also important. I'll try to explain it better with some examples. I'm going to, let me see, some space. Okay, let's suppose we have this, okay? The 13th card, or the death card, as you prefer to name it, and judgment. Okay, here what we see, what we could say is that in this card, the death with its scythe is cutting the communications or the announcements made in the judgment. So this would be the end of communications. But what happens if we turn them the other way around? Here, what we see is the announcement of an ending. Something else will end, what we see here, the next card. But like this is the end of communications, the end of announcements. You see what I mean? Another example. These two cards, the Fool and the Justice. The Fool is a person who goes straight forward to justice, whether this implies legal papers, a job contract, or demands someone in the courthouse. He goes towards the justice. What happens if we change them like this? Then what we see is a person walking away, running away from justice, escaping from justice. It's not the same going to than leaving behind and running away. It's not the same. Therefore, the order is important. More examples. This one can be very evident and quite clear to understand, quite easy to understand. The moon and the sun. If the moon is lies, darkness, and the sun is truth, light, what we see here in this combination is that the truth defeats lies, the light defeats darkness. If we change the order, we see the opposite. Lies triumph over truths, darkness triumph over light. Like this, we get inside of darkness. Like this, everything is revealed. You see what I mean? And it also happens with the minor arcana, with the pips. In this card, you have $5, $5, or however you want to say it, or whatever your currency is. Here you have 5. Then you have 10, the double. Your money has increased. If we change the order, first you had 10, but now you have 5. You have half of the money you had before. So order is important. This is increasing, this is decreasing. You have more, you have less. In mathematics, there is a property, a commutative property, I think is the name, according to which the order of the numbers doesn't affect the final result. You can add 2 and 3, and the result is 5, and you can change the order and add 3 and 2, and the result is also 5. In this case, with tarot, the order is important. Here we are not with mathematics. We cannot apply here the commutative property. The order, it matters. The order changes the meaning. The order changes the result. And therefore, the answer to the question we may ask to the cards also varies. Also, it's also different according to the order of the cards. You see what I mean? That's it. It's a simple video, it's direct, but I think it's important to clear it, to have this notion that order matters, that we cannot say that this is the same as this. It is not. You see what I mean? And that's it. A very simple and very direct and straightforward video. I don't want to get you bored. Thanks for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.